This is good. Hey guys, it's me Sheila, and today we are going to do a what's in my pantry video. I did what's in my refrigerator, and now we are doing my pantry. So I thought I showed you guys exactly what I have during this whole quarantine situation that we got going on here, and also things that we use daily to cook. We did not do a lot of grocery shopping during this whole quarantine. Most of the things we already had in our pantry. So if you are interested to know what we have in our pantry, stick around. All right, so to get started, this is a full view of the pantry from top to bottom. I'm short, so you might not see everything as clear as the top. But anyways, as we get towards the top section, you can see I have some cornflakes that I do not eat. I'm just waiting for the right time to donate them. Usually every year there's some type of food donation going on, and they are not going to expire anytime soon. I have some cinnamon toast crunch, and I have vanilla almond special K, which I love, with some coconut milk. And I also have, and the three containers is what we eat mostly, and that's the reason why I have them in a container, because we eat them like once a week or daily or whatever. But anyways, I have the chocolate delight special K, and also in here I have frosty flake, and then I have fruit loop. And this is our little breakfast section. If you go towards the top, this is not towards the top, but towards the center, this is paper plate, because we don't like washing dishes. Who wants to wash dishes? Nobody. Anyways, and we have here our electronic to process food, and also to bake cakes, or anything that need to go in the oven to bake. That's up there. And then in here I just have all my baby glass bottles. He's no longer a baby, so he don't use his glass bottles anymore. As you go down to this next section right here, we just have all the canned needs that we use. Okay, so towards the corner here is some sweet corn. You have the cream style, and then you have the regular corn. I do not eat corn in the can. I'm not a big fan of corn, so this is not my type of food. And then you have right here, which is my son's favorite, baked beans. When we have macaroni, not like pasta-ish like macaroni, but there's a way I make macaroni that goes well with baked beans, and he usually will eat that with baked beans. And as you go more towards the center, we have the coconut milk, and coconut milk is used to cook rice in our culture, so we use that to cook rice and also to cook beans. And we have sweet milk right here. When Kevin make Jamaican porridge, he usually adds sweet milk into it. And then I have carnation milk. When I make Haitian oatmeal, I add carnation milk. So we both have our own little thing that we do to kind of combine the culture. And right here is corned beef. Kevin usually make corned beef, and we have some right there. And then we have sweet peas if I need to make some potato salad, and also tomato paste. And we have some Mama Special garden sauce to make some spaghetti. I don't just use the sauce from the container. I usually add the sauce, and I add my own little seasoning to it, because I like my spaghetti with flavor. Not that I'm saying the sauce don't have flavor, but I like extra flavor. Okay, as you get right here, this is the baby section, and this is all his baby food. Now, he is 1 year old, so he don't eat baby food 3 times a day. I only have the baby food here so I can make him like a shake in the morning. So I'll typically make him a shake with the baby food in the morning, and then throughout the day he'll eat like regular food. So this is just for his shake purpose. And then you have his cereal. Sometimes we'll still add a little bit of cereal into his milk, just so he's not drinking just plain milk, just to give the milk a little bit of strength. And then here is, I know I did say he's 1 year old and he is still using formula. He's using formula because it's hypoallergenic. Allergenic. There you go. Can't speak there. But yes, he's still using that. Okay, so as we go down to the mid section, which is more my height, we have all the sauce. This is all the sauce right here. All our sauce and things that we need, to make a sandwich or whatever. But anyways, so in here is a lot. So we have the extreme spicy sauce, and then back there is some soy sauce. I have both. The one that has low sodium, and then just the regular. And then I have some Parmesan cheese. Oh, not focused. Okay. Parmesan cheese. And then I have some sherry cooking wine. And then the W word. That's what I'm going to call it, because I'm not trying to say it. As you get farther in, I have some rice vinegar. And then I have some crystal hot sauce. Let's see what else. And then I have some teriyaki sauce. This is right here. Let me just move some stuff. I have the almond essence, which is so good. Usually you add it to your cake. It's so good. And then here I have the oyster sauce, and then original buffalo sauce, and also apple cider vinegar. As you get to the front, I kind of named the front, but anyways, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, hot pepper, and then, I already said I had Parmesan cheese, but I have some jerk seasoning, just in case, I want me a little jerk wing, and I want to keep it simple. I could just go ahead and add my season in, and boom, I have jerk wings. I have some salsa cheese sauce, so I could eat me some nachos. And then when we are eating our popcorn, we like to add a little flavor to it. So I have some white cheddar and some cheesy caramel flavor. And if you order the Beloved seasoning packet, then you would know what this is. This is pickled ginger that I had used to, add to my Beloved sauce that I was cooking. I have some raw honey, and as you get further down, let me focus. I have some breadcrumbs that I usually use, to make meatballs, or when I'm making macaroni and cheese, I will add some crumbs on the top. I have peanut butter. This is not my favorite peanut butter. I like Skippy, but during hurricane season, that was the only one we could find. And then I have, mayo. As you move down to this corner, this is my pasta station. Okay, in my pasta station, I have regular chicken flavored ramen noodles, and then I have the 2 times spicy noodles here. Okay, and I have different type of macaronis up in here that if we decide to have pasta day, I could just look and see what I want to cook. And then this is just a packet of macaroni also. If you shop from Sam Club, then you will know everything come in bulk. And we typically shop in Sam Club, so you will see that we have a lot of things, in bulks. And then down here we have like some spaghettis and stuff. Okay, so this is this row, and also we just have like a couple pack of grits here for the baby. So this is the first 3 shelves. Okay, so now we are moving down to the lower shelf. Towards the lower shelves, we have some, when we make Caesar salad, we have croutons, and then we have dry beans. So we have black beans and red beans back here. And then this box is just a touch up paint for us to touch up, and we still haven't since we purchased this house. We did a little painting, but not much. So we have some barbecue sauce, and let's see, let me move this. So we have barbecue sauce, ketchup, and we have Carolina Tangy barbecue sauce. Can't talk, which is good. And then we have sea salt. This is salt that haven't been opened yet, obviously. And then we have some salad dressing, which I think should be in the refrigerator since they are open, but nothing have happened to us yet, so I think it's good. And this is some corn muffin mix if you want to do cornbread or just want to keep it simple. So we have corn muffin mix, and then we have Pim original spray when we make pancake. This is just a bottle of empty wine, empty wine bottle. Okay, and then this right here, this section is the snack section. In our snack section, we have Doritos. We have a pack of different candies, which was full, and I kind of ate everything to myself. And then we have nachos. If we feel like having nacho nights, or have nachos with tacos, we have that. And we have Lay's sea salt and vinegar. This is not my favorite brand, but this is what we was able to find, so we actually making it work. And then we have some Ritz crackers. We have chocolate chip cookies, Nilla's. We have the original club cookies, which is my favorite. So I have my favorite. Kevin has his favorite. So that's that. That is our snack section. Okay. As you go lower, I have to sit on the ground, guys. I'm not that short. As you go lower, we have some potatoes, and then we have so this is potatoes, and then we have some onions right there. And I have some shortens that if I want to do a cake or anything like that, I have that in here. I have some, what is this? Marshmallows, which probably need to, well, it's actually going to expire this month. Okay. But anywho, I have marshmallows. I have old-fashioned oatmeal because I like to make my oatmeal from scratch. And then I have some powdered sugar. I have powdered sugar. And then when you go here, I have some regular sugar. And then from the regular sugar, I have some brown sugar. And then my flour section, I have regular flour. And then as you go here, I have oil and then vinegar. Now I need to go to the bottom. All right, so this is the last shelf at the bottom, the ground level. I have water, and then I have this cran raspberry drink. Never had it before. I like cran cherry. This is another case of water that's open, and I have just a reserve ketchup down there, 2 of them actually, because when you purchase at Sam's, it comes in bulk. And then I have a case of Gatorade, and this is the rice area. So this is the rice that we use. The front one is just a backup from when we ran out. So again, this is the pantry. This is a tour of the pantry, just in case you guys are interested in knowing what we have in our pantry. The next one we are going to be doing is what's in my season cabinet. So I will show you guys that. Alright guys, this is the end of what's in my pantry video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I encourage you guys to also do what's in your pantry video. I am interested in seeing what you guys have, or if you have anything similar. And if you like this video, please make sure to comment, like, share your thoughts, let me know, share some ideas with me of, what should I do next. As I mentioned, the next video I will do is what's in my season cabinet, and I have a lot of seasons, a lot of seasons. So stay tuned to the next video. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.